Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can check the name of your phone, and if you want you can rename it. So first let's go into settings. Now that it's been opened, you can see that we have so many suggestions to choose from, and the button for our phone's name is called About Phone. And now as you can see we have it, so click on it, and now as you can see here is our phone's name, but if you want to change it simply on Edit and you can set your name to however you want, even your name, for example Bruce. And now as you can see it's set. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.